Hello, fragrance specialists! My name is Chance, welcome to my guide, and thank you so much for taking another look at our essential oil breakdowns. Today we're going to be going over Palmarosa, which is a sweet scented grass. Really cool stuff. I feel like this would be pretty easy to grow just about anywhere, so you may have it as a decorative plant and not even really know. In any case, it has essential oil purposes as well, which is, of course, why we're here. Before we dive into its profile, though, always worth noting, please do consult your doctor before use. Although it's a relatively safe plant, you might react violently to the raw oils, so always err on the side of caution. Now let's dive into its profile. Its scent is described as having a floral, sweet, and slightly rose-like aroma. Its uses are quite wide and varied, so I'll do my best here. Sinuses, excess mucus, cysts, urinary tract infection, gastrointestinal disorders, scarring wounds, acne, pimples, boils, fungal infections, general fatigue, muscle aches, over-exercised muscles, stress, irritability, restlessness, insect bites, and stings. Kinda covers everything. Honestly, it's quite nuts when you really think about it. Under method of extractions, you'll see that it is steam distilled more often than not, and it blends well with bergamot, cinnamon bark, eucalyptus, pink grapefruit, lavender, lemon, and peppermint. And under notes, you'll just see it used with a carrier oil. Relatively simple, just make sure practicing proper dilution and, of course, best practices. Now let's dive into its history. The essential oil of this plant is valued for its scent and for a number of traditional medical and household uses. Palmarosa oil has been shown to be an effective insect repellent and antifungal treatment. It received the name Palmarosa from the sweet-smelling floral rose aroma it gives off. It is widely used for rose-smelling perfumes and cosmetics around the world. Really cool stuff. I'm also fairly certain landscapers use this stuff quite a bit as well. In terms of price, you'll be looking at around $16, $17, thereabouts. Really good price, really good bang for your buck as well, especially if you want to experiment with those floral aromas, but you don't want it to be too overpowering. Really neat stuff, so it really shows no signs of diminishing, which is always, of course, quite nice to know. Now let's quickly go over a quick DIY recipe for it. This is dry hair tonic. 4 drops Palmarosa, 4 drops Rosewood, 8 drops Sandalwood, 3 drops Rosemary, 1.5 teaspoons castor oil, and 1.5 teaspoons jojoba oil. Mix well together and apply to clean hair. Massage into scalp and all the way to the ends of hair. Wrap in a warm towel and leave for 20 to 60 minutes. Really simple and easy recipe. It doesn't consume a whole lot of materials as well, and you can have that in your hair while you're doing other things around the house, which is certainly nice, or getting ready for bed or whatever it is you're doing at that particular time. In any case, let me know what you think of Palmarosa down beneath in the comment section, and mention any thoughts, questions, comments, concerns, or recipes of your own. And of course, if you're looking to get this essential oil or refill your existing stock, please do consider doing so using Rocky Mountain Oils, links down beneath in the description. And as always, I hope you all have a great day, and of course, may all of your future endeavors smell divine.